Choosing a phone carrier feels like navigating a minefield, but today we are simplifying things by pitting Tello against US Mobile to see which budget champ truly reigns supreme. First up, Tello. Their claim to fame, unmatched flexibility. You build your own plan, tweaking data, minutes, and text to perfectly fit your needs and budget. Think of it like a personalized phone plan buffet. Now, US Mobile enters the ring with a focus on reliable service and family plans. Their standout feature is pooled data, allowing you to share data across multiple lines, potentially saving serious cash for families or groups. Performance-wise, both carriers tap into the same major networks, meaning you'll likely experience similar speeds depending on your location. However, Tello uses mobile, while US Mobile can use both Verizon or mobile depending on your SIM. Customer support is key, and both offer online chat. However, US Mobile generally receive praises for its superior customer service compared to Tello based on the reviews from the community. So, who wins? Tello snags the crown for pure customization and rock-bottom prices, especially if you're a light data user. US Mobile clinches the title for reliability and cost-effective family plans. The ultimate choice depends on your individual needs and usage habits.